Hello friends, myself Dr. Love Krishna Pal Singh Rathore, Assistant Professor Shalya Tantra. Today we are discussing about Trivid Karma. Trividam Karma, Purv Karma, Pradhan Karma, Pachat Karma, Tadvyadim Prati Prati Updeksham. This is also included in preoperative, operative and postoperative procedures. First, Purv Karma, Langan to Virechan Upkrama, Rogi Pariksha and Sambar Sangraha and Ahar Vidhan like Lagu Ahara before all operation, operation without food consumption are mood, garb, udar, arsho, asmari, bagandar, mukrogeshu, abhuktvat kurvit. Nirjantukaran sterilization also included in this. Raksha Karma, Dupan Karma is done by Tato Guglu Agru Sarj Ras Vacha Gaur Sarsap Churna Lavan Nimb Patra Nera Dupet Aja Sheshen Asya Pranan Sam Alabhet. Agni Tapta Yantra and Sastra instrument should be used before proper heated on fire. Preoperative procedures according to the modern. Preoperative care is the preparation and management of a patient prior to surgery. It includes both physical and psychological preparation. What is the purpose? Preoperative procedures are designed to improve the outcome of the surgery, condense to the risk for complication and make the surgery as safe and effective as possible. Physical preparation, complete medical history, local examination, site of surgery marked on patient body and must be written on case paper, investigations, informed consent, bowel preparation, part preparation and xylophone sensitivity test which is required for local anesthetic procedure. Diet, soft diet, dentulous patient, liquid diet, fat free diet, salt free diet, anti-diabetic diet, chronic illness, all are the required diets. Patient should be on NBM at least before 8 to 10 hours if we have to operate our patient in spinal or general anesthesia. Other include injection TT, injection atropine 0.6 mg before half an hour of operation. Before entering patient into OT, empty bladder is must. These all are preoperative preparations which includes our Purva Karma. Okay. Fumigation of OT rooms, sterilization of instrument, trolley preparation. These all are also included in Purva Karma. Now Pradhan Karma. Precaution. Sastra Sharagnu Yasman Mrityu Paramayudam Apramatto Bishko Tasmat Tan Samyak Avcharit. Vedan Vidhi Sakradev Apare Shastra Masucha. Direction of incision according to the Shushrut. Anulomam Shastra Nidatyad Apuya Dasnat. लोकेशन यतो यतो गतिम विद्यात उत्संगो यत्र यत्र च तत्र तत्र वर्णम कुरेट यथा दोषो न तिष्ठति. जहाँ जहाँ भी गति दिखे पस की और जहाँ जहाँ भी फ्लक्चुएशन टेस्ट दिखे उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमको इंसिजन करना है. और कोई भी दोष मीन्स कोई भी पस हो उसको हमको एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है. नाउ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ काउंटर इंसिजन अकॉर्डिंग टू शुश्रुति इज एकेन व व्रणेन अशुद्धे माने न अंतरा बुद्धि अवेक्ष्य अपरान व्रणान कुर्यात. Types of छेदन कर्मा according to the सुश्रुत. तिर्यक छेदन, चंद्रमंडलाकार छेदन एंड अर्धचंद्राकार छेदन. अब इस टाइप के इंसिजन कहाँ कहाँ लगाने हैं वो बताएं आचार्य सुश्रुत ने. फर्स्ट तिर्यक छेदन. तत्र भ्रू गंड शंख ललाट अक्षी पुट ओष्ठ दंत वेष्ट कक्षा कुक्षी वंशनेशु तिर्यक छेद उक्त. चंद्रमंडलाकार छेदन कहाँ करना है? चंद्रमंडलवत छेदन पाणिपादेषु कार्येत. अर्धचंद्र आकृतिश्च अपि गुदे मेद्रे च बुद्धिमान. Now the importance of blood is also included here. Dehasya rudira moolam rudirene dharyate tasmad yatnen saraksham raktam jiviti sthati. Then blood comes, then rat stamban is also important. Okay. At shalyam udrata nirlohitam vranam kratva swed arham agni grat prabhatim sansvedya vidya pradih sarpi madhubhyam abadva acharikam updishet. Type of rakt stamban given in Shishruta. Chaturvidam yat etaddi rudirasya nivaranam sandhanam skandanam chaye pachanam dahanam tatha. Sivan karma. Panshu rom न खादीनी चलमस्ति भवे चेत अहतानि यतो अमुनि पाचे युब्रशम रुजश्च विविधा कुर्युस तस्मादेतान विशोधयेत. Operative procedure according to the modern means Pradhan Karma according to the modern science. Positioning of the patient. These are the different type of position which we have to discuss according to the surgery. Fowler's position, lateral position, lithotomy position, prone position, reverse Trendelenburg position, Sims position, supine position, Trendelenburg position and Kraske position which is also known as jackknife position. These are the pictures showing all the other types of positions. Okay. Anesthesia is a state of temporarily reduced loss of sensation or awareness. It may include analgesia, relief from or prevention of pain, paralysis, amnesia, and unconsciousness. Anesthetic drugs that causes anesthesia known as anesthetic drug. Classification of anesthesia: general, spinal, and local anesthesia. Part preparation done before anesthesia. Also, we include this topic in Trivid Karm because anesthesia is also included in the operative procedure. Surgical incision: these are different type of surgical incisions. In abdominal incision are also there are so many other types of incisions are present like midline, paramedial, cochlear, transverse, McBurney's gridiron. This is specifically present for appendicectomy, and P. phenylstrid incision is taken for LSCS. These all are the pictures which show the different types of abdominal incision. Okay, second one picture is showing the P. phenylstrid incision. Now we are coming to पश्चात कर्मा व्रणित आगार वाड व्रणितस्य प्रथमेव आगारम अन्विच्छेद तच्च आगारम प्रशस्तवाद कार्यक्रम। व्रण के जो पेशेंट हैं उनके लिए व्रण का आगार मीन्स आईपीडी का वार्ड उनके लिए अलग से बताया गया है सुश्रुत संहिता में। वो कैसा होना चाहिए वो भी यहाँ पे अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है। तस्मिन् सुदृढ़ अनुकूले प्रियम वदेर उपास्य मानो यथेष्टम आसीते। निर्वातम आगरम प्रवेश आचारिकम आदि निर्वात होना चाहिए। उत्थान संवेशन परिवर्तन संक्रमण उच्चेर भाषण आदेश आत्मचेष्टा अप्रमतो व्रणम व्रण की रक्षा करने के लिए ये सारे कर्म नहीं करने चाहिए। नाउ व्रण बंधन मीन्स ड्रेसिंग मीन्स पट बंधन ततस्त्रते आनि विमुच्य एवं बदनियात वस्त्र पट्टे न चयनम त्वर मानो अपरेदुर मुक्षियत मीन्स थर्ड डे ड्रेसिंग के बारे में बताया सुश्रुत संहिता में। और हेमंत शिशिर और बसंत ऋतु में थर्ड डे और शरद ग्रीष्म और वर्षा ऋतु में सेकंड डे ड्रेसिंग चेंज करना चाहिए। शस्त्र कर्म जनित वेदना शमन उपाय यष्टि मधु सिद्ध कौष्ण ग्रतस का यूज करना चाहिए। व्रण में धूपन कर्म किससे करना चाहिए? सर्षप, निम्ब, पत्र, ग्रत और लवण। What precaution should be taken after surgery? स्थान आसन संक्रमणम दिवा स्वप्नम तथैव च व्रणितो न निषेवेत शक्तिमानपि मानव। ठीक है। व्रणे शवतुर आयासा स च राग जागृत तो च रुक च दिवा स्वापा ताश्च मृत्युच मैथुनम। इन सब ये सब परिहार्य है आफ्टर ऑपरेशन। Then post-operative procedures or post-operative care according to modern. Post-operative care begins at the end of the operation and continues in the recovery room and throughout the hospitalization and OPD patient. Airway protection, pain control, mental status and wound healing. Airway, pain, mental status, wound care. Sterile dressing is generally left intact for 24 to 48 hours unless sign of infection. Should be checked twice daily for sign of infection. If infection occur, wound exploration and drainage of abscess, systemic antibiotic. Deep venous prophylaxis, thrombosis should be taken care. Fever. Common causes of fever are 6 W's. Wound infection, water means example UTI, wind, atelectasis and pneumonia, walking through DVT, wonder, drug. Some type of drug induced fever also present. And VJAT means implantation, implantable devices. Urinary retention may also occur after post-op patient. Causes anticholinergic, opioid, immobility, decreased oral intake. Catheterization done for urinary retention if distant bladder is present. If constipation is present, then give laxative. Loss of muscle spasm, which is also known as sarcopenia, due to prolonged bed rest, nutritional deficiency. Patients should sit up in bed, transfer to a chair, stand and exercise as much as and as soon as is safe for their surgical and medical condition. Oral intake should be encouraged and tube feeding or rarely parenteral feeding may be necessary. Other issues occur. Hip surgery requires that patient be moved and positioned so that the hip does not dislocate. Thank you.